Remove all parts and materials from the box. Check if there is any missing parts against the included checklist. Screws and Allen key are included in the package as well. Firstly, install the 4 casters given into the pull-out leg rest. Secondly, install the 4 legs given onto the main sofa using the nail and washer provided. And then, install 4 legs onto the chase part. Next, install legs onto the 2 armrests. Then, install either one of the armrests onto the main sofa. After that, lift up the main sofa and attach it to the chaise part. Install the other armrest to the chaise part. Finally, install all the headrests provided. Feel free to install the chaise part on either the left or right side of the couch, based on your convenience. You can pull out the leg rest to convert it to a much larger and spacious couch. The bottom of the chaise part can be used as storage as well. Congratulations, you have successfully assembled your L-shaped sofa.